Home prices are rising, and the average time from listing to sale right now is just 1 week. Fox 43's Kyle Ennis talked with first-time home buyers about their experience finding a home after a recent surge in home sales across the Commonwealth.
Welcome home, a phrase said frequently the past 3 months as home sales surge across Pennsylvania. One of those new homes belongs to first-time homebuyer Jermaine Brown and his family, who are closing on their first home in the coming weeks.
A little bit of a tornado of emotions in a way. Excited, nervous, anxious, everything that you could think of in a way.
With the market being competitive, Brown knew that it would take strong offers and research to find the right place to call home.
It was heartbreaking at times, but we just knew that if we just stayed patient, kept our mind open, we'd find the right thing.
In the last year, York County saw a 22% increase in active listings and a 4% increase in median home sale price compared to April 2024, according to the Realtors Association of York and Adams County. Interest rates trending downward and the cost of homes staying high, Keller Williams Keystone Realty agent Adrian Young says that the market is in a good spot for both sides, the buyer and seller.
There's been no crash, and so sellers are very comfortable. And for the buyers, I think the rates have come to a spot where they realize housing is affordable, and it's much better to own than to rent.
For first-time buyers or current homeowners, deals to purchase homes are closing at a rapid rate. The Realtors Association says homes in York County are averaging just 7 days on the market from list to sale. Branch manager with Movement Mortgage Andrew Harkins finds people are still moving out of bigger cities and into the suburbs, contributing to the quickness of sales.
It's ironic, if you go pretty much in most of the major directions towards cities, the price goes up. So affordability is something that, has kept our market thriving locally.
Kyle Ennis, Fox 43 News.